Ebimotoka biweetiye birabiddwa kenca ya leero nga bimenya ebimu ku bizimbe ebyali byateekebwako laama gye buvuddeko ebirina okumenyebwa mu nteekateeka ey'okuyonja munisipaali y'e Ibanda. Abakuliddemu eddimu lino okuva ku munisipaali y'e Ibanda nga bakulembeddwamu Town Clerk Pius Mulechezi bategeezezza nga bwe watali kudda mabega ku kino kale nga buli muntu asuubirwa okugoberera amateeka.
Cooperative mwingi bakutukolera. So what we are going to do is mop up. Kusanga any issue we do clear. A number of areas is to have interior muko kutukolera into Wasobora and indeed is to have interior starting today where people have not complied and make sure they comply.
Onera asabye n'abo abalina okwasiza ekiragiro okukola nga bwe balagirwa okulaba nga buli wamu batuukawo okumenya obuyumba bwonna obutalina kuba mu bifo ebyo.
So the team that is here, I want you to cooperate. Let's follow instructions from one person. We have one team leader who will be giving you instructions on what we do doing. Take only instructions from him, not any other person. It's away, then you cascade it as later storm officer.
Abatuuze n'abakolera mu bifo bino balaze obwennyamivu ku bigenda mu maaso nga beebuuza we bagenda okukolera.
Abaana ekyokulya ekyokunywa famire ntebire yemerire hatiya yahweraho
bati mwene nyowe nyina obusasa bw'amaani mbere ninkora kora musipia RID business bajangu batero X shenye turgeho mwene nyina kwetongwita nyina obusasi nyine cyo kugamba.
I have lost millions of shillings in building shops, but I'm not happy because most of the buildings have been condemned, that they are unfit and were built along the government streets or municipality streets.
Abalala balumiriza okuba nga bwe baweereddwa obudde obutono ddala okwamuka ebifo bino.
Hata aba bantu tubatumanyise kugira ngo bize basenye ebintu byitu byona nk'amasaho g'ebihimba ebintu ebyo byona obudde yabwita abana babutera hansi mwene so twagira obusasi buhango kanojja kuba tugambire kare ebintu byitu bendiza kuba tubigire konka kukugambira akasese esaijo bakiza bakuratire tokore ngo nenso bimaze
abandi bakabahereza 14 days itabone zindi ito tukafuna challenge emwe kwa bana bahandike barebera na bisatu bajata nkaraka wibanda Minister yaza mukwemereza kugira ngo babe kusenya atumbire kuce ibiro byafunze president yakaka yarangira tukore ki mubasenyure.
Mu kiseera kino ebibuga byonna biri mu kutuukiriza ekiragiro kya trade order.